Step 1. Find the right parking lot. Step 2. Line up your side view mirror to your spot corner line. Step 3. Before reversing, check your side view mirrors for vehicles coming from behind. Step 4. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left and drive forward until you see the corner of the parking lot in the side view mirror. Step 5. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right and back up. Step 6. When your vehicle body is parallel to the parking space line, straighten your wheel and drive backward until your car has completely entered the space. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.